Hello and welcome back to ACB Photography on YouTube. For those of you that are new here, my name is April and I'm the owner and photographer of ACB Photography. And here I love to help photographers win. So on today's tutorial, it is a very quick tutorial, but in this video, I'm going to show you how using a soft round brush in Photoshop in about 15 seconds of your time is going to take your final images from just bland and give it that extra pop. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, we're ready to get started. This image right here on the screen is a final image. I have done all of the retouching, the skin frequency separation, the backdrop cleanup, and now I want to add just a little more razzle dazzle to the image. So what I'm going to do, this top layer right here is my frequency separation layer. So what I want to do is add another layer on the top. Well, actually what we're going to do is merge everything below this in a layer together on the top. So what I'm going to do is my shortcut. If you've been here before, you know I love shortcuts. So I'm going to hold Command Shift Option and E, and as you can see, it creates a new layer with everything below it in a new layer on top of it. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is make a copy of a selection of my subject and make a copy of that. So I have a shortcut over here in the Properties tab, and I'm going to select Subject. And once the subject is selected, I'm going to zoom in and make sure everything is good. And it did a great job. So I'm going to hit Command or Control J to make a copy of that. And then I'm going to come back down to this layer with everything in it, and I'm going to make a new layer in between. So I'm going to hit this plus sign down here to create a new layer. So what I want to do is add some glow behind her just to give the picture a little bit of pop. I'm going to go over here and grab a brush. Right here is my brush tool, and right now we've got the mixer brush selected, but we're going to use a regular brush, a painting brush. So we're going to right click that icon and select the top one. All right, so the size is already set to small, but I want this to make a glow all the way behind her. Now, disclaimer, there is a whole lot of ways to do this. There are many ways to do this, but this is the most simple and easiest one that I have found, and I use this one. So this is what I'm showing you. All right, so we're going to make this bigger. So my shortcut to that, we could come up here to the brush properties and right here click the size and increase the size, but my shortcut is using the parentheses brackets. The left one decreases the size and the right one increases the size. So I want it to make a glow like right around her. So that's about the size I want it. Now I'm going to go and select my color. Right now it's set to black, but if you hold down the Option or Alt, you can click any point in here and change the color of what you're going to paint. All right, so I want to choose the color of the backdrop that's right behind her. So I'm going to click there, and I'm going to show you just by painting on with the same color, there's no effect. Like, you don't see anything happening. To make that glow effect, let's Control Z and undo what we just did. To make that glow effect, we're going to go up here and drag the color to slightly lighter than what the color of the backdrop is. So this point up here in my color picker tool, we're going to drag this to a lighter color. So then we're going to come back to our point and we're going to click to add. And as you can see, it added that extra pop. It almost looks like you have another light on the backdrop, just giving it that extra pop and glow. So let me show you before we added those 2 clicks of a lighter color. That's before, and here's with the pop added. All right, so this is the original final picture before. And this is adding that extra glow. So like I said, that was a quick tutorial, but it was easy and simple. I actually think that took less than 15 seconds to do. But anywho, if you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and a comment and share it with another photographer who you think may need it. If you try this method, please let me know how it turns out. If you post it, tag me in the video, let me see. If you're not already subscribed, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see y'all on the next tutorial. Bye.